Good morning to all of you. Today we have discussed about the method of differentiation. Here method of differentiation of a function in parametric form. Here now let us suppose that y equal to ft and x equal to ft, y equal to ft and x equal to ft be the function of now here let us suppose that y is equal to ft and x is equal to gt be the function of variable t, where t is the parameter. Then dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt, that is here f dash t divided by g dash t. Now we take example here 31. If x is equal to a cos t plus t sin t and y equal to a sin t minus t cos t, then find the dy by dx. Solution: x equal to a cos t plus t sin t and y equal to a sin t minus t cos t This is in the parametric form, so that we have to find the dy by dx. It means that, as you know, that dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Now for finding dy by dx we have to calculate dy by dt. Here y is here, so that dy by dt equal to dy by dt a sin t minus t cos t here. Now here in this case a is a constant, so that a comes here, and d by dt sin t minus d by dt t into cos t. This is the first and this is second here. Now a d by dt sin t, differentiation of sin t equal to cos t minus, in this case this is in the product form, so that d by dt into t into cos t plus t d by dt cos t cos t here, a comes here, sin t, cos t, and this is the product of differentiation of first and second is rest, and differentiation first is rest, differentiation of second part. Now a here a cos t minus d by dt by dt, that is a 1, so that this is equal to cos t and again this is negative t into cos t to minus sin t minus sin t, cos t and cos t cancel, and this is minus minus plus t sin t plus t sin t, a here a t sin t, this is the value of dy by dt, dy by dt equal to a t sin t, and now we also dy by d also dx by dt here, dx by dt here, this is dx by dt here, now dx by dt equal to dx by dt equal to here dx by dt d by dt, it means that a d by dt means here cos t minus sin t and this is here t dt, t here in this case dt by dt, that is a 1, and sin t and plus t into sin t, the cos t here, and now sin t and sin t cancel, this is equal to a t cos t Now putting this value here, dy by dt is at sin t divided by dx by dt at cos t, at remove, sin t divided by cos t, sin t divided by cos t, that is equal to tan t. This is our answer. Now here question number 32, example 32, if x equal to a sec square theta and y equal to a tan cube theta, then find dy by dx. And example 33, if x is equal to 380 divided by 1 plus t cube, and y equal to 380 square divided by 1 plus t cube, then find dy by dx. Now solution of (32) here, ax equal to a sec square theta and y equal to a tan cube theta. A tan cube theta. In this question, find the dy by dx. In this question, theta is a parameter, so that we have to find dy by dx. So that dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Dy by dx, because theta is the parameter, dy by dx equal to dy by d theta and divided by dx by d theta. Now here dy by d theta, dy by d theta equal to d by d theta, a tan cube theta, a tan cube theta. A constant comes here, and this d by d theta, d by d tan cube theta by d tan theta, and d tan theta by d theta here. Now d by dx, dx, x के पावर m equal to nx n minus 1. In the similar sense, this is equal to a, here a tan के पावर n minus 1, 3 tan theta के पावर n minus 1, 3 minus 1 and 3 tan square theta into d by d theta, differentiation of tan theta with respect to theta equal to sec square theta here a 3 tan square theta into here sec square theta. Now dy by d theta, dx by d theta, dx by d theta here, dx x equal to a sec square theta, d by d theta, a sec square theta. This can be also written as a constant, d by d sec theta, sec square theta, and d sec theta by d theta. Now here a is a constant and sec square theta in a similar sense. With respect to sec theta, nx n minus 1 and 2 sec theta, and sec theta equal to sec theta, differentiation of sec theta is equal to sec theta tan theta, sec theta tan theta. This can be written as 2a sec square theta into tan theta. Now we have to calculate here dy by dx equal to dy by d theta. This comes dy by d theta 3a tan square theta sec square theta, tan square theta into sec square theta 3a tan square theta into sec square theta divided by dx by d theta 2a sec square theta into tan theta. A remove, sec square theta remove here, and tan square theta only tan theta 3 by 2 tan theta. This is a dy by dx, dy by dx. This is the answer, and dy by dx is equal to 3 by 2 tan theta. And now here question number 33. Solution. In this case, if x is equal to 3a t divided by 1 plus t का whole cube plus y 3a t square divided by 1 plus t square, then find dy by dx. In this case t is the parameter, so that dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Now we have to find dy by dt. Y is equal to given here, y is equal to 3a t square divided by 1 plus t के power 3, and differentiating with respect to t and differentiating with respect to t, dy by dt equal to d by dt dy dt 3at square divided by 1 plus t cube. Now this is in the form of numerator and denominator, so that differentiation of this अंश by हर into अंश का डिफरेंशिएशन माइनस अंश into हर का डिफरेंशिएशन, यानी डिनोमिनेटर into d by dt 1 plus t cube d by dt 3at square minus 3at square d by dt 1 plus t cube divided by square of denominator 1 plus t cube का whole square. In the similar sense, dy by dx by dt, here dx by dt, now dx by dt Now similarly, dx by dt 1 plus t cube d by dt 380 minus 380 d by dt 1 plus t cube divided by 1 plus t cube to the power 2. Now here in this case dy by dx is equal to dy by dt, but dx by dt, now here dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. This is equal to dy by dt here in this case, this terms, so that this 1 plus t cube 1 plus t cube and differentiation of this 3 d by dx x के power m nxn minus 1, so that 3a at the differentiation of this is equal to 2t and 3 to the 680 here 680 minus 380 square and this is differentiation of 1 with respect to t0, and this is 380 square, and this is 3t square into 3t square dy by dt and dx by dt here 1 plus t whole square, and this is 1 plus t, this and this cancel, so that these terms divided by these terms 1 plus t cube and differentiation of this is only 3a d by dt 1 3a minus 380 and this is equal to 3t square this is equal to 1 plus t cube into 680 minus 3 3 are 9 8 t के power 4 minus this is 1 plus t cube into 3a minus 3 are 9 a t cube. This is value of dy by dx. This is our answer here. Now this is answer here, and we see now differentiation of fx with respect to gx. Let us suppose that y is equal to fx is a function and z is equal to gx is a function. Then we have to find dy by dz here. Now we take one example here. 34. If y is equal to log x to the power x and z is equal to x के power x, then find dy by dx, dy by dz here. Now we know that dy by dz can be written as dy by dx divided by dz by dx. Here dx cancel, dy by dz. Now it is parametric in the x, so that dy by dx and dz by dx. Now here given y is equal to this and z is equal to this. Here y is equal to y equal to log x to the power x here given, taking log both sides, log y equal to here, log y equal to here, in this case log of this, log y equal to here, log y equal to log of log x to the power log x to the power x, and it can be written as x log x. Here in this part, ln is the this can be log can be written as ln, so that x log of log x, x log of log x here. Now differentiation with respect to and differentiating with respect to x here, d by dx, this can be written as d by dx log y, this can be written as d by dy log y into dy by dx. Log y means 1 by y, differentiation of log y with respect to y 1 by y, and this is a dy by dx, so that this can after differentiation this can be written as 1 by y dy by dx here, and also differentiating this is a first term and this is a second term, first and this is a second term. Now here differentiation of first second is here, and plus x into differentiation of second here, this is equal to 1, and log of log x, and x here log of this d by dx log x log of log x with respect to log x equal to 1 by log x, and differentiation of this log x d by dx is equal to 1 by x. This dy by dx is equal to y comes here, and y equal to log x to the power x. This is a log x to the power x, and this is a log of log x plus here x and x cancel, here x, and this is a 1 by log x, 1 by x cancel. Now multiply this here. Now multiply this log x to the power x into this, and plus x cancel, log x to the power x, and here in the denominator log x 1 remove, so that log x to the power x minus 1, the dy by dx equal to this, as you know that z equal to x power x given taking log both sides, log z is equal to log of x to the power x, and this is a similar sense here on differentiating with respect to parameter x, 1 by z dz by dx equal to first and second term, differentiation of first one log x plus x into log x, differentiation of second 1 by x, x cancel, this is 1, and multiply this log x 1 plus log x, and z comes here, and z equal to x to the power x, x to the power x here. So now we find dy by dx, and this is a dz by dx, so that dy by dx, this is equal to dy by dx equal to this here log x. Now here dz by dx is this, dy by dx putting this here, and dz by dx here, so that dy by dx equal to this. This is our result here answer. Now like, subscribe and share your friends. Thank you.